Hi everyone, welcome to Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Today we are looking at a 4-bedroom HMO conversion that we're converting from a 2-bed into 4 bedrooms with 4 en-suites using the current actual foot space of the property. Obviously we've done a lot of reconfiguration. We have shown this property a couple of times. We're coming through to this last phase of the second fix in this property. As you can see from behind me, we've installed the kitchen in the kitchen communal area. What we've done is we've gone for a dark navy blue colour. So we keep the same kitchen styles, but what we might do is change up the actual colour of the kitchen. Now and again, so the last property we've done like a dark grey. This time we've gone for a dark navy blue. We obviously keep all the walls white apart from the accent walls, which we might change up now and again. And in this case, we're going to be getting colour matched to the actual navy blue as well, so it's going to look absolutely awesome. Now we have got the second fix of electric started as well, so you'll notice that we've obviously done that, and that's obviously progressing, but we've got decoration happening as well. So the first coat, the first 2 coats of the paint, white paint, has gone on, and you'll see that upstairs massively in the actual bedrooms as well. So really looking good. We've got probably another 2 coats of white paint to go on, and then we'll do the actual walls beyond that as well. So what else has been done in here? Obviously we've broken through the original wall over here, and we've put the French doors in. That's looking really good and really happy with that. Let's jump upstairs and have a look at the actual 2 bedrooms upstairs as well. Okay, so currently we're in the actual bedroom upstairs to the rear of the property with its own ensuite. The en-suites, we're still getting that installed. So once they're finished downstairs with the joinery, they'll also be starting on the en-suites there as well. So we've got 4 en-suites to actually install. So those will be getting started next week. So there'll be more progress on that. We've probably got another, say, 2 weeks on this property left to be able to obviously get it fully completed and handed over to the letting agent. Now, looking around the property, there's not a lot of snags that I can see coming up at the moment, which is great. But obviously, there's always a few little bit of snags here and there when we do the final sign off as well. But what's been happening, we've obviously got the doors installed, they've been obviously painted as well. They fit in absolutely fantastic. These are FD30 fire doors. We've changed the style of them this time. Rather than the colonial style, we've gone for like a more modern look, and it just looks great. I'm glad we've made that change there as well. There's a call from my business partner, so listen, let's just look at changing the doors up, and I'm glad we've made that move, so good on him for suggesting that. Obviously we've got insulation going in with the loft as well, so that's important. Make sure we've got new insulation coming there, so it's as efficient as possible, because we want to make sure that those maintenance costs and those bills are kept down as well. Let's jump in the front room and have a look what's going on there. Okay, so we're in the rear of the property, sorry, in the front of the property at the moment, in the second bedroom upstairs with ensuite. As you can see from around us, we are obviously painted everything white. We do white walls in here. We've still got accent walls to do in here as well. So the feature wall will be over here. We've still got a second fix electrics that's still getting finished off at the moment. We've got the TV area also going, so the TV will be over here. We'll integrate that all in, so it just looks like it's floating on there. So we'll put a wall bracket on there. TV goes on the wall, which is great as well, so I'm happy with that. The other thing that we have done is we've had to replace the actual windows in here to fire exit windows. Because the kitchen communal is in the centre of the house, okay, and if there is a fire in the kitchen, for whatever reason, yes, we've got FD30 fire doors, and we fire one with the staircase as well to protect any fire coming in, and obviously the ceilings as well in the actual kitchen. We still need to have a fire exit, so we've replaced the windows with fire exit windows. So in the event of a fire, we know that our tenants can get out safely. You've got peace of mind as an investor to know that your tenants are going to get out safely if there was a fire. Okay, so that's important to take into consideration. Yes, it's not licensed, but we still want to make sure our tenants are safe. That's important as a professional investor. So if you guys actually like what you're seeing from this property, if you haven't seen what this looked like before, then please click on the link, click on our previous videos, and you can actually see what's actually happening there as well. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell as well, because every Wednesday we put out new properties every single week, just literally tracking what we're doing with the current refurbs that we're doing at the moment, so you guys can see better what you're getting for your money when you profit from UK property with minimal time effort with Jenic Property. If you've got any questions, please send us head over to Instagram, LinkedIn or Facebook at Property with Nic Clark, and you can obviously ask any questions you do have. Otherwise, if you do want to get involved and you want to start profiting from UK property with minimal time effort, you've got money to invest, you just don't have the time to do it, then head to jenicproperty.com. You can book a free call with one of our team, and what we'll do is we'll have a look at your strategy, where you currently are, where you want to go, and see how we can help you, whether that's buy-to-lets that you want to get started, or HMOs as well. Then definitely head over to jenicproperty.com and book a free call with one of our team, and we can help you as best I can. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. See you on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.